Hello students, this is Baljeet Kaur. I welcome you to my channel Let Us Master English. Students, lecture 13 was my final lecture on tenses. After that, I started with next topic of grammar. That's why I couldn't upload the answers to the exercise of lecture 30. Many of you have asked me regarding this, so here I am with the answers. In this video, I'm going to explain you the answers with reasons. Students, please listen carefully to understand how to solve the exercise on tenses. Now let us see question number 1. Fill in the blanks choosing the most appropriate words from the given options. Now let us see how to solve this gap filling. First sentence is, last Saturday our school dash for the summer vacation. Now students, last Saturday, it means we are talking about the past. So here your options are closes, closed, will close. Now you know closes is used for present, will close is used for future, and second form of verb, that is closed, is used for past tense. So here our option is closed. Last Saturday our school closed for the summer vacation. My brother Ashish, who dash in a hostel in Kota. Now here once again let us check the option. Stays, first form, plus s, that is simple present tense. Stayed, second form of verb, that is past. Will be staying is future. So since we are talking about past, so the most appropriate option is stayed. Dash by the Shatabdi Express. Now the brother who stayed in hostel, he was coming by the Shatabdi Express. The action was continuing. So here we need to use past continuous tense. So here our options are comes, came, and was coming. So the right choice is was coming. Mother dashed me to go to the station. The options are told, tells, is telling. Now tells and is telling both are used with present, and our paragraph is on past, so we'll pick up told. Mother told me to go to the railway station and dash him up. Now students, check this sentence. To go to the railway station and dash him up. Now these two phrases, to go to the railway station, dash him up, they are joined using and. It means to go, to plus first form of verb, this is applicable to the phrase after and. So here also we will use first form of verb, that is pick him up. ये जो to है बेटा, to go, तो although अगर बीच में and आ जाता है तो सेकेंड सेंटेंस के पहले हम to यूज नहीं करते हैं, but it is there, and to is always followed with first form of verb. So pick him up. I dash my scooter and left. मैंने अपना स्कूटर उठाया और चला गया. So once again let's check the options. Take, took, am taking. So it is thing of past. Naturally we will select second form of verb, that is took. So this is how we solve gap filling. Now students, question number 2. This is on editing. The following passage has not been edited. There is one error in each line. Write the incorrect word and the correction in your answer sheet as given in the example. Remember to underline the word that you have supplied. Now students, when you have to solve editing and omissions, most of the time students face problems. Now here I am going to explain you how to solve this exercise. Now let us read the first sentence. Yesterday I have some work in the office. Now see, our sentence starts with yesterday. So past, कल जो बीत चुका है. I have. So have is used for present. And since this is regarding past, so we are going to replace have with had. I had some work in the office. And how to answer in editing? First, we'll write the incorrect word, that is the wrong word, and then we put one hyphen, then the correct word. And the answer is to be underlined. Had and underline it. Now let's see the second one. In the office and comes very late last night. So once again we are talking about last night, that is past. So comes we use in simple present tense. So here we cannot use it. We have to replace it with second form of verb, that is came. And came very late last night. And unfortunately, the dog waking up. Now students, see here, waking, this ing form is used either in continuous tense or perfect continuous tense. But here we don't need it. We are simply narrating a past event. So this waking will be replaced with second form of verb, that is woke up. The dog woke up. Dog उठ गया and started to barking. Now see students, barking ing form. So before this we need to use is, am, are, was, were, or will be, or has been, have been, had been, will have been. But here the word preceding barking is to. So to is followed with first form of verb and not the ing form. So here barking will be replaced with bark. So to plus first form of verb, this you have already studied in non-finite verbs, infinitive. To plus first form of verb means infinitive. So this you must have studied earlier, and please remember to is followed with first form of verb. This action of the dog awakened my mother. So third form of verb is used. Third form of verb should be preceded with has, have, had, or will have. But here we don't have any such words. So here also we have to replace it with the second form, that is awoke. This action of the dog awoke my mother. She did not heard my voice. Now students, in tenses we have learned simple past tense. And when you change that into negative, the rule is subject plus did not plus first form of verb. She heard my voice. The negative is she did not hear my voice. So after did not, we must use first form of verb. So here we are going to replace heard with hear, because the dog was barked very loudly. Now this action was continuing. So past continuous tense. So the rule for past continuous tense is was or were plus first form of verb plus ing. So here we are going to use barking in place of barked. The dog was barking very loudly. So students, isn't it easy? When you solve editing, omissions, or error correction, students, whatever change you make, the word that you edit, you must know the reason behind it. Only then you will be able to edit properly. And students, if you like this video, please press the thumbs up button. And for more such videos, kindly subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Please subscribe, share, comment, and like my video. Thank you very much.